Hello, I'm Chris Swaffer, Product Manager for Notion, and this is Notion Mobile. We've taken what we've learned from our 10 years in the Apple App Store and have redesigned and rewritten our mobile notation app from the ground up, all while keeping what's best about Notion, its ease of use and great sounds out of the box. We took the opportunity to tick off our number one feature request. Yes, Notion is now on Android. But we didn't just stop there. As well as finding Notion in the Apple iOS Store and Google Play Store, you'll also now find it in the Mac App Store, the Microsoft Store, and the Amazon App Store. So, whether you have a Fire HD tablet, a Microsoft Surface, an iPhone, a Chromebook, a MacBook, an iPad, or an Android phone or Android tablet, Notion Mobile will run on all of them. Our new adaptive design taking into account both the smallest phone screen and the largest monitor. And as Notion Mobile runs natively on all these devices, i.e. it's not a browser-based app, it does not require a constant internet connection to run. So, wherever you are in the world, and whatever tech you have with you, you can use Notion to get your ideas down fast. As mobile devices opened up the world of music notation software to thousands of musicians over the last decade, we wanted to think how best to offer Notion Mobile over the next. So, Notion Mobile is now free to download and use with unlimited instrument staves, editing features, and our core sound sets, especially recorded for Notion by the London Symphony Orchestra at Abbey Road Studios. Putting this creative power under the fingertips of musicians all over the world on whatever device they have, and all for free, is a huge and exciting step for Notion and for music notation. On top of this, a single one-off in-app purchase per platform is available. The Notion feature bundle includes handwriting recognition, direct network transfer between PreSonus applications, all the add-on sound sets, and advanced audio export options. And more big news, Notion Mobile is now part of Sphere. So if you're a Sphere member, just sign in on the home screen and the Notion feature bundle will automatically unlock without needing any further purchase. So let's take a quick look at the app itself. As I said, it's been completely redesigned with a responsive layout to suit any size device. But you can further customize this, switching between light and dark modes, making the score dark to save eye strain, extend the palette for larger screens, and move the palette to the right-hand side. Use a smaller set of icons to maximize the score area on a smaller screen. The palette here is in two sections with note durations on this slide out. Underneath is the Tools grid. This works really well on a touchscreen where you can press, hold, slide, and then release on the tool you want, all in one single motion. If there are further options for each tool, they appear below in a single column or in two columns if you have the extended palette option. For actual note entry, then whatever way you want to compose, we've got you. The easiest way is selecting a duration, then tapping on the staff. Drag up and down to adjust, and right and left for pitch. And from there, you can use step time with an on-screen keyboard, fretboard, drum pads, a MIDI instrument, a Bluetooth MIDI instrument. You can use your keyboard shortcuts, and even use your own handwriting. Notion will recognize whether you are using a supported pen or your finger. Once you've got your notes in, then your editing tools are all to hand. You can work on the mix, add effects, And once you're done, sync in the cloud, share with your device's built-in tools, or send over a network direct between any mobile or desktop device running Notion Mobile, Notion Desktop, and even Studio One. Let's send this masterwork from this device to another running Studio One on the same network. Here we can see all the running instances of Notion and Studio One on this network. We can send audio or basic MIDI if we wish, or as the original score file. And bosh! There it is in Studio One 6. Now, this is not some kind of special MIDI or music XML file transfer between the two applications. Studio One has actually natively opened the Notion file. This is possible as Notion was rewritten fully to share Studio One's custom codebase. The fruits of this work was first seen in Studio One's new score editor, and the next step is now here in Notion Mobile. So that's a quick overview of Notion Mobile. To get the app right now, go to your preferred app store, whether Apple's iOS or Mac App Store, Microsoft Store, Google Play Store, or the Amazon App Store, and download and compose for free. And if you've got Sphere, remember to sign in and get the feature bundle as part of your membership. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.